Discover an effective old remedy for cough. Reduce cough from your lungs and chest naturally and safely. Simple cough remedy ingredients: warm water, salt, black pepper powder, and lemon juice soothe your throat and reduce mucus effectively. Warm water keeps your throat moist. Salt reduces inflammation. Black pepper clears mucus. Lemon juice boosts your immune system with vitamin C. 1. Take 1 glass of warm water. Start with a glass of warm water to soothe your throat. Step 2. Add a pinch of salt. Salt reduces throat inflammation and helps clear mucus. Step 3. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Black pepper helps clear mucus and opens your airways. Step 4. Add half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon adds vitamin C to boost immunity and soothe your throat. 5. Stir well and drink every morning. Mix thoroughly and consume before breakfast for best results. Regular intake reduces cough. Drinking this mixture daily can reduce cough levels from your lungs and chest within a week. Try this simple natural remedy every morning and breathe easier soon.